Yo, what is up, YouTube? Your boy Kill Cam, and we're getting ready for Florence. I don't know if you guys have seen the news lately, but we have a pretty big hurricane about to hit the Carolina shore, and I think I brought it with me. I'm a Florida boy, you guys know this, and I'm pretty familiar with hurricanes. Growing up, we had a lot of hurricanes hit Florida, obviously, and as soon as I get up to Carolina, we get the biggest one to hit the coast in 20 years. So I'm not too sure how well Carolina is going to take a storm this big, but Florence is coming, and that's no bueno. And don't you guys worry, I got the bike situated. I honestly had this thought earlier this week when I knew the storm was coming, and I honestly didn't know if it was going to curve north or just curve and completely hit us. If you guys look at it now, it's coming in at North Carolina, South Carolina, and it's cutting back in. So being in Columbia, we're a little bit more central, so I don't think it's gonna be too crazy when it hits us. We don't need to evacuate. The coastline is actually evacuating to us, so we have a lot more people. Everyone's out here getting gas, getting water right now, getting prepared for it. But I have the bikes covered this time. I was thinking, I was like, what do I have to do? Do I need to go knock on some people's doors with the garage? Because you guys know my bikes stay under bike covers and they're sitting outside, and there's no way in the world that these bikes would not get blown over with 120 mile-an-hour winds, gusts, whatever it actually is when it hits us. These bikes wouldn't stand a chance. So I was having this thought, and I kid you not, my neighbors right next to me, they texted my girlfriend saying, hey, if you guys need anything, if you need the bikes in the garage, we're offering that. And I'm just like, yes, like, you're a lifesaver. That was the best thing I've ever seen. I was so happy. That made me so happy. So you guys know me, I need to get at least 1 or 2 more rides in before I put it in the garage. And the storm's coming, I believe, on Friday. I don't think it's gonna be tomorrow. I'm pretty sure it's Friday. So the storm's coming on Friday. It's Wednesday. I got to get these rides in. So I'm about to go hit some back roads. You guys know what I like to do, and we're about to go enjoy this gunner. I'm just glad that stay on the road, buddy. I'm just glad that these neighbors are that cool. Such nice people. Honestly, about to go knock on some doors. Be like, hey, can I throw you some cash to put these in your garage? As bad as that sounds, you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. R6 speed, but this bike being so big, when it reaches 100 is a great feeling. A little daily 100 for you. Such a nice day. You would not guess a Category 4 hurricane is out there in the Atlantic just chilling, about to slap the coast. I call this free riding, where I'm not intentionally trying to get lost, but if you were to show me a map and tell me to name some road names, I honestly couldn't right now. Look at this little straightaway. There we go. There we go, the middle of nowhere. We saw some deer the other day. My girlfriend and I, we were in the car just going to the store, and these deer are not Florida deer. This thing was practically a horse. There's probably like 3 Florida deers. I'm literally in the middle of nowhere. Look at this. I could probably park this thing for 5 minutes and not see a car. It looks like we found the new Kill Cam drag strip. Let's see what she's got. Turning around real quick to head back home, but look at that open field with the power lines. That says dual sport all over it. It's probably illegal. I'm sure you can't ride over there, but might as well try. Just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Make sure to turn on that notification bell so you can know when I post. And I just thank you guys so much. Please stay safe during this storm. I'm going to keep you guys updating. Feel free to message me on Facebook and Instagram at Yamaha R6 on Instagram, Yamaha on Facebook. I respond to every message I get. Y'all take it easy. Yamaha out.